Hey, welcome to another episode of Day in the Life of System Admin. On today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to crimp a Cat5 cable or RJ45 cable to make a network connection. Now, before I start that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Come with me on the journey. Let's go. Now, before we begin, you need some key tools. First, you have your crimper. This is an old one, but crimper, you need to crimp the wires, the ends, which to put the wires into and crimp it. You can also use a wire stripper or a knife to pare it off. Some persons even use a nipper. Now, let's go. Now, today's lesson, we'll be using Cat5 cable, RJ45 crimping tool. It also has RJ11, but a crimping tool. This is what they call a crimper. You need your ends. RJ45 ends. What I'm going to do is remove a piece of the shield or the layer from this cable, and then I'll be terminating the end using a wire stripper. The one turn. For the wire stripper, you have to adjust it for the type of cable, the size cable that you'll be cutting. See, as easy as that. The cable is now exposed and revealed the true nature of a twisted pair cable. If you notice, the wires are twisted in pairs of two. What we'll do is untwist these wires in a format so that you can have communication between devices. The format that I'll be using is a standard format, straight through, or the B standard. This little white piece, that is a little piece of card, you cut it off, or you can leave it using the nipper. I just cut it off. The standard is orange, white, orange. This is a B standard, remember. Orange, white, orange. I'll try to post a little clip. You can follow the code. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And then you'll straighten it out, have it looking something like this. If you notice the code again, starting from the left, the code is, I'll see if I can give you a better view of the code. There you go, better view of the code. It's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. You'll straighten it out. Using your crimper, you'll nip a piece of the head, the excess off, like so. After nipping the excess off, you grab your RJ45 ends or connector, and you'll insert it into the cable, making sure that it's all the way down. It should cover, go right down to the shield. This is a perfect crimp. Before you crimp, make sure that you have the codes in there correctly. Should be orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. You'll be able to see it. Make sure that it comes right up to the top, the very top here. You can see that where the cable actually meet the end of the connector. Push it right up We have your crimper again. This time we'll be using this section to terminate the cable. You put it all the way in, and there you have it. You crimp your cable. It's a perfect crimp. Now this is ready to be put into a computer or a switch, and you will be able to have internet connectivity or run a network. Don't forget to like or subscribe and hit the bell and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.